Setting the day and time. To set the current day and time, press and hold the button marked Day until the temperature disappears from the middle of the screen. You will notice that the day begins to flash. Press the up or down buttons until the desired day is displayed at the top of the screen. Once the desired day is displayed, press the button marked Mode until the hour begins to flash. Press the up or down buttons until the desired hour is displayed. Please note that while PM is displayed, AM is not. Once the desired hour is displayed, press the button marked Mode until the minute begins to flash. Press the up or down buttons until the desired minute is displayed. You can press and hold the up or down button to toggle faster. When the day and time settings are correct, press the return button to exit.